When you're going through the color scheme, it is a bit annoying that you have to press enter to see how the color looks like. What would be more convenient is to be able to see the color without having to close the picker window, so that you can go through the list until you find what you're looking for. So what we need is to map Ctrl J and Ctrl K to go up and down the list and at the same time apply the color scheme. We can do something similar to the enter key, just that this time we're scrolling the list before applying the color. To scroll down the list, we can use Move Selection next. To scroll up, we can use Move Selection Previous. Make sure to scroll before applying the color. If you also want to be able to do the same in the normal mode, we can map the key with N in the first argument rather than I.